Hi all, welcome to Lab Vijayawada. This is a demonstration video regarding the gas leak alarm. Here is a gas sensor mounted on the stove in the kitchen. A circuit is hooked to it. The whole setup was built on a 25x25 setup. Once there is a gas leakage, then the sensor detects. For that purpose, we are using a cigarette gas lighter. So when it sends the gas, the buzzer buzz and the lights glow, so that we can get active regarding that. For such kind of videos, you can visit our website www.mysciencekart.com. For full-fledged video and report, you can visit www.mysciencetube.com. Thanks for watching.